Did you know you can earn hundreds of dollars daily by selling ebooks? It's absolutely possible and easier than you might think. With just a laptop or smartphone, an internet connection, and a method to accept payments, you can start earning money from ebooks today. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the process of creating, publishing, and selling ebooks effectively. By the end, you'll have the tools to generate a consistent income without needing to invest much time or money. Let's dive in. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. We have tons of amazing content to help you succeed. 1. Why ebooks are a great way to earn money. Ebooks have become incredibly popular as a convenient, eco-friendly way to learn and entertain. Their rising demand offers a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to earn remotely. But why are ebooks so in demand? For starters, they're accessible on almost any device, smartphones, tablets, or computers, and are available instantly. They also eliminate printing and shipping costs, making them an economical choice for readers. Thanks to platforms like Amazon Kindle, personal websites, and social media, ebooks can reach a vast audience with ease. 2. Choosing the perfect topic for your ebook. The first and most crucial step is identifying a profitable topic. It's important to select a subject you're knowledgeable about and passionate about. When your enthusiasm shows in your writing, it builds trust with your audience and encourages more sales. Do some research on popular ebook platforms like Kindle or Apple Books to see which topics are trending. Understanding market demand will help you find a niche that not only attracts readers, but also aligns with your expertise. 3. Designing an eye-catching cover. Never underestimate the power of a great cover. It's the first thing potential readers see, and it significantly influences their decision to buy. A professional-looking cover conveys credibility and makes your ebook stand out among competitors. You don't need to be a graphic designer to create a stunning cover. There are many affordable tools like Canva that simplify the process. A well-designed cover is like a storefront window. It draws people in and sets the tone for what they can expect. 4. Writing a high-quality ebook. Quality is key when it comes to ebooks. Take your time to craft content that is informative, engaging, and error-free. Editing and revisions are crucial to ensure your work is polished. Tools like Grammarly can help improve grammar and readability. If writing feels overwhelming, consider using AI tools to generate drafts or spark ideas. However, remember that personal insights and authenticity often resonate better with readers. A well-written ebook not only commands a higher price, but also encourages word-of-mouth recommendations. 5. Choosing the right publishing platform. Selecting the right platform is essential for reaching your target audience. Popular options include Amazon Kindle, Apple Books, and Barnes & Noble. Each has its unique advantages, so explore their terms to see which aligns with your goals. For example, Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, allows self-publishers to earn royalties while reaching millions of readers. If exclusivity isn't an issue, KDP Select can offer additional promotional benefits. 6. Developing a marketing strategy. Creating an ebook is only half the battle. Effective marketing is what drives sales. Utilize free platforms like social media or personal blogs to spread the word. Paid advertising, such as Google Ads or Facebook campaigns, can also help amplify your reach. Building an email list is another powerful strategy. Keep your audience engaged with updates, sneak peeks, or discounts on future ebooks. The goal is to turn one-time buyers into loyal readers. 7. Creating a series of ebooks. If your first ebook performs well, consider expanding it into a series. This strategy keeps readers engaged and increases overall sales. Focus on organic transitions between books to maintain consistency and flow. A series allows you to establish yourself as an authority in your niche while creating multiple revenue streams. Think of it as building a brand around your content. 8. Setting the right price. Pricing plays a big role in attracting buyers. While ebooks are often chosen for their affordability, it's important to strike a balance between value and competitiveness. Consider factors like the depth of information, time spent creating the book, and market trends when setting your price. A fair price not only ensures sales, but also reflects the quality of your work. 9. Leveraging AI to enhance your process. AI tools can streamline every stage of ebook creation. From generating content ideas to designing covers, neural networks can save you time and effort. AI-based editing tools refine grammar and style, while audience analysis software helps tailor your content to reader preferences. For marketing, AI can optimize ad campaigns and suggest strategies based on user behavior, increasing your reach and boosting sales. Selling ebooks is a lucrative and flexible way to earn money, whether as a side hustle or a full-time venture. Modern technology has simplified the process, making it accessible to anyone willing to put in the effort. If you're ready to start your journey, find your niche, create a high-quality ebook, and publish it on the platform of your choice. Don't forget to check out our channel for more tips on finance and earning money online. Best of luck, and don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more inspiring content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share. Until next time, may your ideas become great achievements.